Welcome to Java programming. Now I'm going to talk about Java programming. In this section, we are going to learn Java and its features. Java is a powerful general purpose programming language. It was developed by Sun Microsystems, initiated by James Gosling, and released in 1995 as a core component of Sun Microsystems Java platform. The first version, Java 1.0, released in 1995. The Java language, initially called Oak, and later it was renamed as Java. It is promised to Vora, that is, write once, run anywhere. Vora provides no-cost runtimes on popular platform. Java is used to develop desktop and mobile applications, big data processing, embedded system, and so on. Features of Java. Java is object-oriented. Java is a platform-independent language. Java is a compiled and interpreted language. Java is simple and fast. It is secure and robust. Java is a portable language. Java is multi-threaded and interactive. High performance. Simple, small, and familiar. Architecture neutral, distributed, dynamic, object oriented. Java is a pure object oriented language. In Java, everything is an object. It can be easily extended since it is based on the object model. Second feature is platform independent. Java is a platform-independent language. Unlike C and C++, Java is not compiled into platform-specific machine, rather into platform-independent bytecode. It is distributed over the web and interpreted by the JVM on whichever platform it is being run on. Compiled and interpreted. Java is a compiled and interpreted language. It is a two-stage system. In the first stage, Java compiler translates the source code into bytecode. In the second stage, Java interpreter generates machine code. It is possible by JVM. JVM means Java Virtual Machine. The JVM converts the intermediate bytecode into machine code. The source code is your original Java program. The object code is a machine code. Java is simple and fast. Java programs are very simple to use and easy to learn since it is based on the object model. Next feature is secure and robust. Java is very secure or highly secure. It enables to develop virus-free system. It has strict compile time and runtime checking for data types. Java is highly secure. Java interpreter verifies the bytecode before executing it. Java is a portable language. The Java programs are run on different platforms. For example, Windows, Linux, Macintosh, etc. Java compiler generates bytecode that can be used by any machine. The size of the primitive data type of machine independent. Next feature is Java is multi-threaded and interactive. Multi-threaded means handling several tasks simultaneously. Java supports multi-threaded programs. It does not wait for the application to finish one task before beginning another. Next feature is high performance. Java is a high performance language. Java performance is impressive for an interpreted language due to the use of byte code. With the use of just-in-time compiler, Java enables high performance and the programs are executed very fast. So we can say the performance is good in Java. Next one is Java is simple, small and familiar. Java is a small and simple language. It can run in small local computer. Programming in Java is easier than C++. Next feature is architecture neutral. Java compiler generates an architecture neutral object file format which makes the compiled code executable on many processors with the presence of Java runtime system. Distributed. Java is designed for the purpose of distributed environment of the internet. It is a distributed language for creating applications on network. The last feature is dynamic. Java is more dynamic than C and C++. Java programs can easily carry extensive amount of runtime information that can be used to verify and resolve accesses to objects on runtime. Next, we'll see the additional features of Java. That is ease of development, scalability and performance, monitoring and manageability, desktop client, more XML support, supplementary character support, JDBC, Rosette. Next, Java uses. Java is the one of the most popular programming language in the world. Java is simple and easy to learn. Java is secure, fast and powerful language. Java works on different platforms. It is easy to learn and simple to use. It is secure, fast and powerful. It is very close to C++ and C#. So it makes easy for programmers to switch to Java or vice versa. Thank you for watching.